Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today, so you know the drill. You can either hang out with us or fast forward 5 minutes to the beginning of the actual practice. I'm holding the phone in my hands because I can't find a way to prop it here sitting on some boulders. So it's gonna be a little bit wobbly. Good morning, Maria. Oh, those are frog sounds? I didn't realize that. I was like, what the heck is this sound? This is pretty loud. And I don't know if you can see a black and white cat over there. Eh, like right there. Let me see. I can't zoom, unfortunately. But she's sitting right on the boulder, hunting something, obviously. Anyway, I'm gonna move back to this view. This boulder looks like a little bit like a sleeping elephant to me. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Mariella. Yes, I love this view. This is such a lovely pond here, right across from the apartment where my friends live. There is this little park called Morningside Park, and it's really picturesque. And the weather is really beautiful, very fresh, very nice. I'm enjoying it a lot. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we're going to continue exploring Ho'oponopono practice. Yesterday we discovered that Ho'oponopono is a practice that allows us to heal everybody around us through healing ourselves. What a radical concept. And today I would like to elaborate a little bit on that so that it becomes a little bit more clear on how and why this is possible. So Ho'oponopono is a set of practices that have been used in Hawaii for centuries to support harmonious relationships between people, nature, and spirit. So first, let's look at the name of the practice itself. Ho means to cause something to happen, and pono means to be good, just, right, in alignment with all people, places, and things. So ho'opono means to cause to be in alignment. And then the word pono, which is the being in alignment with all things, is duplicated, thus emphasizing this harmony, this goodness within, this alignment that is so important. So how do we align with this harmony within and without? Of course, by remembering that we are part of all that is, that we are all interconnected. In this context, when you try to determine whether a thought, a word, a deed, or an action is truly pono, or truly aligned with harmony, truly serving the highest good, you need to consider how it affects not only you, but everybody around you, all of creation. Not even just people, but everything. There is a beautiful story called The Bowl of Light that apparently has been traditionally told to children in Hawaii to teach them to live a pono life, a life that is in alignment with harmony. Every child born has at birth a bowl of perfect light. If you tend your light during your life, it will grow in strength and you can do many things. Swim with a shark, fly with a hawk, know and understand all things. However, every time you become resentful or envious, you drop a stone into your bowl of light. And every time you drop a new stone into your bowl, some of the light disappears to make space for the stone, because they cannot coexist. So if you continue to put stones in your bowl of light, the light will eventually go out, and you too will become a stone. A stone does not grow, and a stone does not move. But if at any time you tire of being a stone, all you need to do is turn the bowl upside down. The stones will all fall away and the light will come back. Your light will shine once more upon the world around you, and you begin to grow once more. What a wonderful parable, isn't it? So full of hope. So at any point in life, whenever you decide that you're tired of whatever it is, you can turn it around. This is beautiful. The story reflects this human journey, the choices that we have. So we can choose to carry old hurts and stay in our trauma and drama, or we can choose pono, this harmony within and without, this being in alignment with all that is. And being in alignment and staying in your trauma and drama simply cannot reside in the same bowl at the same time. You need to choose one or the other. By practicing Ho'oponopono, we basically empty our bowl of these stones of resentment, anger, frustration, and invite the light to come into our life fully again. So let's begin. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice. As always, I recommend that you start with the external, the sounds and sensations of the world, and then little by little hone in on your inner world, the sensations of it, the emotions, the thoughts. Allow your breath to be soft and easy without any forcing. Simply let it flow in and out, becoming breath, embodying it fully as you inhale, as you exhale. Invite effortlessness into your body, softening from the inside out. And then gently start repeating the Ho'oponopono verse. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Repeat it over and over again. And perhaps on the background you can reflect on all those stones that are currently in this bowl of light that you were given at your birth. And ask yourself, do I want to empty the bowl completely? Or maybe just get rid of some of the stones for now? I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I will give you a couple of minutes in silence to enjoy your experience of this practice. As you do this, maybe a particular stone, a particular resentment, judgment, anger, particular situation comes to light a little bit more fully. Allow yourself to focus not on the storyline, but rather on the physical memory of it, physical sensation, and continue this clearing process, directing it to that stone. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Personally, I have to cut the practice a little bit short because it's starting to pour really strongly. I thought I was I would be able to sit it out, but it's getting stronger and stronger. But please don't come out of the practice yourself. Continue for as long as you want, repeating the verse, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And just watching whatever comes to the screen of your mind. And during the day today, I invite you to remember this parable that I shared at the beginning. And whenever any resentment, any frustration, any judgment comes up, remember that you always have a choice, either to stay in your trauma and your drama, or to choose Pono, to choose being in alignment with all that is. And even if you choose against Pono right now, it's okay. Everything happens at its right timing. Don't be harsh on yourself if you're not ready. Just remember that any time you wish to do it, it's always available to you. And that's the promise of this practice. So I encourage you to continue for a few minutes more. And I'm gonna run back home. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow.